Daisy, place.
Yep. Good girl. Oh, now you're gonna start going? This thing just happened to me in the bathroom.
What?
I'm drying my hands.
Uh-huh.
I like looking around because they obviously redone this entire visitor center.
Yeah.
And I turn around and there's just this lady just like standing there with her cane.
With her what?
With her cane.
Oh, yeah?
Just like staring at me. It's really creepy.
Right here, Louisiana border, at their rest stop. And we just set up the bed for the first time. Kind of a pain in the ass. We were just getting ready to make some coffee real quick. And Nicole, it's about 4 o'clock in the morning. Nicole decided she had to go pee. And now there's like a monsoon and she's just chilling, waiting. All right, come on, hurry up.
Okay. I'm in.
All right, she made it.
I didn't want to get my shirt soaking wet because I don't have another shirt to put on. I gotta dig for it.
I was just telling YouTube the story.
About how I went inside and it was sprinkling and how I came outside it was pouring freaking rain.
Yeah, pretty much.
We have our first lattes on the van. Thanks to Breville for the lovely Bambino.
Yeah.
Shout out to Breville. No coffee for puppies, sorry.
Yeah.
We are. So the sun decided to show up.
At this point, though, it looks like there's some kind of wreck or
We're being rerouted.
construction, so all I can see is the back of this 18-wheeler. That one.
That one there. So we've made it to Louisiana. We're trying to get through Louisiana before we hit the rain again because we know we're gonna hit it. We just can't get away from it. We are currently in Rayne, Louisiana.
Louisiana!
This is where our little detour took us. And apparently, it is the frog capital of the world. We have seen frogs literally everywhere. There's a little tiny statue here. They're painted all over the little town. The internet says that Rayne, Louisiana, frog statue, frog capital of the world, roadside America.
We'll go right here. Here's looks like what's going to be the last little frog.
This is
before we
probably
hit
the
highway.
last frog in Rayne before we exit back to the highway. This is great. We've got frogs painted on the exit ramps on each side here. So you can see all of the frogginess going on.
Little GPS location, so you can come to Rayne.
Yeah, just
Check it
because you
out.
have detour, you can see all the frogs and count how many statues are actually in Rayne, Louisiana. 8 at Highway 35 or Boulevard 35, as it says. And you can see the giant frog statue with a top hat. It is part of one of the Roadside America attractions, so if you're one of those people who likes to stop on the roadside to see the giant statues that they have here in North America, this is one.
Every powerful feature, smart living and luxury audio products. We're here.
We made it to Mississippi.
We are about to cross over into Alabama.
Alabama!
Here it is. Sweet Home, Alabama. It sounds like a song. It sounds like it might be a good song.
Sounds like a song. Home of the World Games 2022.
What?
What are the World Games?
I don't have a clue. Google.
The World Games are an international multi-sport event, comprising sports and sporting disciplines, that are not contested in the Olympic Games. They are usually held every 4 years, 1 year after a Summer Olympic Games, over the course of 11 days. The World Games are governed by the International World Games Association, under the patronage of the International Olympic Committee. In the most recent editions, between 25 and 30 sports have been included in the official program.
We're about to break a pretty big Texas rule, and
Wait. We're not gonna stop.
no. We have a full tank of gas. The dog peed. We ate just 30 minutes ago, and nobody has to poop. Can you muster up a poop?
No.
So we're gonna do it. We're gonna break the rule. The rule is don't pass up a Buc-ee's. You can't pass up Buc-ee's. Get a break from this Buc-ee's because it's not in Texas. But yeah. Bye Buc-ee's.
Bye, Buc-ee's. We had two major reasons for bringing our unfinished van Vincent on a road trip. The first reason was to test out and see how far we've come along in our van build, what issues may arise before we finish the project.
And the second reason for going on this trip was we needed to get a little time off. We've been working super hard to get Vincent up and running, and what better way than to go and spend some time with family down in Florida in the sun.
We spent one of our days with a family at Disney World. We had a lot of fun, and we hope that you guys enjoyed this part 1 of our first road trip in Vincent. Stay tuned for part 2 and find out where we stayed overnight for our very first van life trip.